Japanese light car, Cervo, channel. Hello everyone. Today I installed LED headlights on my Cervo. I'll verify what color they light up to and how bright they are. The small lights have also been converted to LED, so please take a look and compare them. Let's take another look. Turn on the small lights, headlights, halogen fog lights, and top-facing headlights in order. It's daytime, but I turn on my headlights. In the dark woods. However, white light like that from LED lights is indistinguishable from natural light, so it can be difficult to tell. It can provide plenty of light at night. If you look at the LED lights from outside the car, you can see that they are very bright. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video today.